Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to fix a clogged toilet in Virtual Families 3. First, locate the problematic toilet in your virtual home. Next, ensure you have an adult family member available to perform the repair. Finally, check your in-game coin balance. Repairs might require a small expenditure of about 20 to 50 coins, so be prepared for that. This initial check saves time later. To begin the repair, you will need a plunger. If you do not already own one, navigate to the in-game store and purchase it. A plunger usually costs about 50 to 100 coins, a small investment for a clean home. Once acquired, simply drag the plunger from your inventory and drop it onto the clogged toilet. Your chosen family member will then pick it up. Once the plunger is placed, your adult family member will automatically begin the unclogging process. This action typically takes a few in-game minutes, so be patient as they work. You will see an animation of them using the plunger. When the task is finished, the toilet will visually clear, indicating it is fully functional and ready for use once more. It's a straightforward fix. To prevent future clogs, regular home maintenance is key. Encourage your virtual family to clean their home often, which helps maintain all fixtures. Additionally, consider upgrading your bathroom fixtures. Newer models often have better efficiency and fewer problems. Finally, ensure your family members are using the toilet appropriately, as this can also contribute to a clog-free environment for your virtual family.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.